Alright, video 2. I am fixing to go through this treacherous area to share my backyard with the rest of the world. Wish me luck. Here we go. Here's the tree I'm going down beside. Oh, looky here. Here we go. Ah! Oh, hang on, vine. Got me. Oh. Now, if I can get to where I want to get without landing in this water. Ooh, somebody's home. Whoops, I'm in. Choo! Used to be railroad tracks out here over this river. There's part of some here. Alright, here we go, guys. Here's another view, just down from where I was. This tree is creating a small dam. Let's move down a little further. Whew. Thank God for big rocks. Here we go, here we go. Let's see. Let's try to go down a little bit further. Looky right here. Isn't that just gorgeous? Here we go, traveling again. Oh, yes. Here we go. Wow. Check this out. Yeah. This is my backyard. Let's go a little bit further. Here's some of the rocks I'm climbing on. Nice, huh? This river will carry right on down underneath the bridge. Kirk's back around to a favorite swimming hole everybody likes to go to. I don't think I would suggest inner tubing down it today, as cold as it is. But I hope you enjoyed the view from my backyard.